Mga kababayan, kami po ay nasa Calamba, Laguna ngayon at ngayon po ay aming 55th reunion anniversary ng Manila High School Batch 70 at si Manny Moya po ay isa sa aming mga alumni na mga matagumpay na alumni ng Manila High School. And Manny, please introduce yourself to our kababayan.
I'm a graduate of Manila High School, class 70. And then graduate of University of the East, University of the Philippines, Asian Institute of Management, and abroad is UC Davis and Göttingen University. So I took my electrical mechanical engineer and systems in the US and also in Germany. So I have a doctorate in microbiology and environmental science. That's why all this technology that I developed for the last 40 years, I'm going to bring it back to the Philippines through UP Los Baños, where I am a director of industrial and academic group in the whole University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Actually, I brought a technology back from US and Canada. I developed a magnetic power generator that could power the whole house or the whole building, and it could be the whole community. So the units, I have two units that are being presented to the province of Mindoro and Marinduque, and you will see the unit published in the latest issue of a magazine. The idea is very simple. You put several magnets in a rotating cylinder, and then it is powered by a series of magnets. So the magnets push, and then it creates a motion. The inertia is broken, so it rotates a generator. Generator amplifies the power, so you produce the power without using sunlight, without using wind. It is used by storage batteries. So it propelled from the start to the finish. It's a 24/7 operation, and it will be available probably in the next 6 months. So right now it's being demonstrated.
And Engineer Manny, what motivated you to invent this kind of machine or gadget?
Okay, actually, the problem that we have even in the U.S. is the calamities like disaster, tornadoes, hurricane, and the lack of power and water. So on top of that, I also developed a desalination or a water treatment that can purify any kind of water around the world. And this is off-grid, so that means you can operate the system, water and power, without using the utility connection.
Mga kababayan, thank you very much, Manny, and good luck sa yung tinatahak na sapalaran sa emission na to at inaasahan namin na makatulong ito sa humanidad at sa buong sandaigdigan. Maraming salamat, Manuel.
I will send you the link so you can see the demonstration. Probably a 2 or 3 minutes demonstration.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Para po sa Road News Philippines, ito po si Art Tapalya nag-uulat. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Thank you.